Are you looking for a vegan curd with peanut recipe? If so, this recipe video is for you. Whether you're in India or abroad, peanut curd is an excellent substitute to dairy curd. Unless you're lactose intolerant, you may not be willing to try it out, wondering how does peanut curd taste. Here's my experience. Okay. This is peanut curd. So I'll do a taste test. It's good. It's yummy. So this is my peanut plant as well. Okay, chalo, let's get started with the recipe to make peanut curd at home. I'll also be sharing the recipe to make peanut milk first, and in the last we will be learning how to make peanut milk tea. So out of these I loved peanut milk and peanut curd. So for this recipe I have used a blend of roasted and unroasted peanuts. So these are raw as well as a mix of raw and roasted peanuts. You can take completely raw peanuts. So do not take completely roasted peanuts, otherwise you will get an overpowering peanut taste in your curd and peanut milk. So soak this overnight. I have taken 1/4 cup of peanuts and soaked them overnight. Now, after soaking them for at least 8 to 10 hours, put them in a grinder because we'll be purring them. We'll be making the peanut milk first. I have used the same soaked water, so you should also use the same soaked water. Grind it to paste, puree it. Now I have used a tea sieve to squeeze out as much milk as possible from this peanut paste. You can use whatever you are used to using for this purpose. You can use a nut milk bag as well. And now again we will be using this paste and blend it again with 1.5 cups of water. So for 1/4 cup of peanuts I have used almost 3 cups of water to make peanut milk. Now we'll be blending it again, and this is the result. Final peanut milk is ready. We'll be mixing both the first peanut milk and the second one. Now mix both and keep this paste ready. Squeeze as much as milk from peanut paste and don't throw away this peanut paste. We'll be using it in another recipe, so stay tuned for that, and meanwhile you can keep it in the refrigerator. Now next step is to boil the peanut milk, and it will boil just like dairy milk. So if you are lactose intolerant, you can use this vegan milk recipe and it won't disappoint. Peanut milk tastes good. Peanut curd tastes equally good. It's creamy, it's sweet, and it's really delicious. Now after it comes to a boil, mix it. You can remove the cream. I have blended the cream along with the milk. This is the cream, just like milk, dairy milk. You will find a top layer of cream on top of the peanut milk as well. Now let it come down, cool down. We'll be making curd with it once it is lukewarm. Don't add the chili heads if peanut milk is still hot. So I have used these two containers to make peanut curd. One is a glass and another one is just a mud pot, small mud pot. Now keep this covered in a warm place for 8 to 10 hours. Since this is cold seasons, you will need to cover it with a towel or keep it in your microwave or air fryer. After 8 to 10 hours, it is ready. Your peanut curd is ready, and look, it looks really creamy and it tastes yum too. So do try out this peanut curd recipe, and if you're already trying out any other vegan curd recipe or are interested in learning how to make vegan curd with almonds or cashews or even seeds, do write to me in comments. I'll share those recipes as well. And the next time you need to set peanut curd, use this as a starter. You don't need green chili. So let's make peanut milk tea now. Personally, I am a tea lover, and I felt that this tea tastes slightly peanutty because I had added a greater amount of peanut milk and less amount of water to it. So I suggest adding 1/4 cup of peanut milk to half cup or even more of water. Keep it on a boil and then add tea of choice. You can add tea powder of choice. You can add a flavor or spice of choice. I often use fennel. I use fennel to flavor my tea. You can use whatever you love, and you can also use a sweetener if you are used to sweet tea. However, I drink unsweetened tea, so I have not added anything. So can let it simmer, and it'll be the process is just like making your normal milk tea, doodh wala chai. I don't take sweet tea, so I have kept it unsweetened. Now after simmering it for some time, your peanut milk tea is ready to be relished. You can relish it with a cookie of choice. Hit the like button if you found this video useful.